Hi everyone, I am Teacher Zia and today I am giving you some recommendations from my bookshelf. So let's start picking the books up for you. So the first book that I would recommend all of you is this. This book is Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. This is basically for people, this is for girls and boys, husbands and wives and all the couples in the world. If you want to understand opposite gender, you have to go through this book. It's amazing. It talks about men's psychology, women's psychology, and why men are from different planet, women are from different planet, and how you can have better relationship with them, understand them better. This has helped me a lot. I've read this many times and I think everybody should. So that's the first book. Second book that I would recommend is this, Michelle Obama, Becoming. She became the first lady of USA and a very powerful lady. I think she speaks very well, very confident, very fluent, and she has good thoughts. I think she's very good, inspiring lots and lots of women and me also. So I love her and Becoming, Michelle Obama. So check this out. Another book that I would recommend is Mastery by Robert Greene. It may not look very good right now. It's an old book. But this is about mastering any art. So if you are an artist or a professional who wants to understand how to develop the mastery level in any field, so this is the book for you, which will talk to you about different things like mentor and developing skills and becoming social and everything else. Next, if I have to recommend another book, that would Dongri to Dubai, for people who are like interested in crime thriller and all. So how dawns of Dongris and how they connected the whole thing, how from Dongri to international borders and everything. So if you're interested in crime and thriller, especially in Mumbai, you should try this. Another book that I would recommend is The Confident Speaker. This is my book, but I would love to recommend especially, और ये पहले से plan नहीं था, but now that I see it, so please, if you don't like any other book, read this book, Confluent Speaker book, written by Ziaur Rahman, and this is written in very plain English. So I know that English learners will be reading my book, so I have written it in very plain English. This will help you a lot. अब ज़्यादा self promotion नहीं करते हुए, let's move on to other books. Next book that I would recommend to you guys, if you are preparing for IELTS, then Barron's IELTS is very popular resource in the industry. So check this out. Very common. You might have seen this also in different bookshelves. Another book that I would recommend here would be, if you are into philosophy and everything, then you may want to read Republic by Plato, but this is very complex and very deep, and if you are somebody who wants to understand philosophy and life and justice and so many other things, then you should read Plato, but this might be too difficult to digest for certain people. So if you are just initially starting, then I would suggest you start with something easier to digest. Later on you can move on to higher level things. This is a grammar book, but evergreen grammar book. Before the era of AI, this was the book I would recommend to everybody. Raymond Murphy, published by Cambridge University Press, intermediate and advanced English grammar also. They have amazing left hand side explanation, right hand side exercise, and the whole book is like this, all like 150 grammar topics or so, lots of grammar topics. So yeah, this is a reference book, and that's all. What else do we have? This is my political science book when I was studying political science in college time, so I still have it. Also, since I'm learning Marathi, practicing Marathi, so this is some comic books. These are some comic books, and here you see छोटा मोटा गोष्ठा. सो आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग मराठी बुक्स. आजकल तो आप देख ही रहे हो सोशल मीडिया पे क्या हो रहा है मराठी के नाम पे, तो तब से आई हैव increased. But yeah, I did get some books from my friends. This is Steve Jobs ka biography, and I got the Marathi version of it. I'm trying to read and practice and understand. So yeah, that's all in my books collection. Another cute book that I would recommend is this Oxford Grammar book. It's a pocket book basically. So if you are traveling or something, you can carry this. They have a vocabulary version of it also, which I don't have right now, as I might have given it to somebody. And this one thing, somebody gifted me this. This is not a book. These are pencils, of course, but these are custom made pencils. So my name is there. So I just wanted to show it off. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you read these books and you find these books helpful. Thank you.